In this video, I will show you how to automatically download a file with Python Selenium in Google Chrome. I'll start by importing my WebDriver from Selenium and creating the object as driver. Executed, a new Chrome window will open up. I'll open a simple public test page with downloadable files. Let me resize the screen and open the DevTools. We'll be using that shortly. On this demo page, we can see a few dozen files of various types that are available for us to download. I want to focus on a specific one for this demo. Let's go with this text file called testfile.txt. This bit of code will collect that object using the driver's findElement method, which accepts how we want to find something, which I'm specifying as a CSS selector. And what is it we want to select? I'm selecting this specific anchor tag with this name. Let's go back to our DevTools and try to find the anchor object we want to download. Right here, we can see the href I am referencing in Python, download/testfile.txt. In order to download the file, we just need to click the object, just as you would do with a mouse. This is achieved by using the click method on our file variable, which is a web element object that accepts a click. Let's run this and watch it work. There we can see testfile.txt has downloaded. Opening the text file, we can see it says, "Hello Selenium." So it's easy to automate file downloads with Selenium. Just find whatever object has the pointer to the file and click it. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments if this was a helpful video. Do give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe so you know when the next video drops.